So boom, I made my design. I got it done. Now I'm about to send it to the left. Picked out my vinyl, kablooey. Put it on my Jigma thick. I'll see you in a few minutes.
3 hours.
Yep, I put my vinyl on that boy. I'm about to cut it. This is some brick vinyl. I'll let you check it out after I'm done. I gotta push a little few buttons. You know how that shit work. And I gotta show y'all that. I'll be right back. So boom, I got my 2 designs peeled out. My 2 materials to go on the back of my coat. That's right here. Boom, you see that? That's a good coat. What did they say it was? I think it said nylon. Yeah, 100% of that shit. 100% nylon. Boom, big YSMD going on the back. See you in a few minutes. So boom, just got done with that first layer right there. Look at that on that boy like that. Looking all good and fancy if I do say so myself. Just peel that on off of there like that. Dun, da, da, da. That boy is burning hot. Yes, Bobby. And boom, there's that one. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. And boom. Ooh, let's check that out. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah. Yeah, look at that layer. Ooh, look at how that's raised off of that boy. That's called brick and easy weed. Ugh. Hold on, I'll show you how I look in a minute on the me. Booyah to the hooyah. Ugh. That's fly. Yeah.